Hello everyone, Uttam Banerjee here from Ekam Eco Solutions. As the monsoon season brings refreshing rains and rejuvenates our environment, it's a perfect time to reflect on the critical connection between monsoon and sanitation. Monsoon is a season that brings life to our fields, farms, fills our rivers, and provides much needed relief from the heat. However, it also poses significant challenges for sanitation and public health. Now, one of the primary concerns during the monsoon is waterlogging. Regular cleaning and unclogging of drains before the monsoon can prevent waterlogging and ensure that rainwater flows freely. This requires a coordinated effort from both municipal bodies and communities. Now, another major issue is the contamination of water resources. During heavy rains, open defecation and poorly managed waste can easily contaminate our drinking water supplies, leading to waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, and many more such diseases. In fact, poorly managed septic tanks and sewage treatment plants can generate large volume of sewage, posing significant risks. It's crucial to ensure that sanitation facilities are properly used and maintained in both urban as well as the rural areas. Investing in proper sanitation infrastructure such as well-maintained public toilets and efficient waste disposal systems is vital. Now, technologies like waterless urinals and composting toilets can significantly reduce the burden on our sewage systems and minimize contamination risks. Now, let's explore an interesting and less known concept, phyto remediation. Phyto remediation involves using plants to clean and filter water naturally. Certain plants such as water hyacinth, vetiver grass, and cattles have an amazing ability to absorb and break down pollutants from water bodies. Now, these plants act like natural purifiers. They absorb heavy metals, pathogens, and other contaminants through their roots, breaking down these harmful substances and improving our water quality. For example, water hyacinth can absorb arsenic and lead, while vetiver grass is known for its ability to absorb nitrates and phosphates. During the monsoon, these plants can be strategically placed in waterlogged areas and contaminated water bodies. Not only do they help clean the water, but they also prevent soil erosion and provide habitat for aquatic life, contributing to a healthier, better ecosystem. You see, innovation plays a crucial role in addressing these challenges. Solutions like rainwater harvesting systems can help manage excess rainwater, reducing the load on drainage systems while providing a valuable water source during dry periods. Additionally, decentralized wastewater treatment plants can treat and reuse grey water, further reducing the risk of contamination. Let's make this monsoon a season of positive change and enhanced sanitation for a healthier and better future. By working together, investing in proper infrastructure and adopting innovative solutions like phyto remediation, we can enjoy the benefits of the monsoon season while protecting our health and the environment. If you know any other good practices or innovative solutions for sanitation, please share them in the comments below. Together, we can make a difference.